Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best oil for hair clippers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Supreme Trimmer Premium Hair Clipper Blade Lubricating Oil. This product offers 4 fluid ounces of high-quality oil designed to reduce friction, prevent rust, and extend the life of your clipper blades. It's marketed as a professional-grade lubricant that can improve blade performance and promote smoother operation. In terms of design, the oil comes in a simple yet functional plastic bottle with a precision nozzle, making it easy to apply just the right amount. The lightweight build ensures portability, which is a plus for professionals on the go. However, it lacks some of the advanced features seen in higher-ranked oils, such as odorless formulations or included cleaning brushes. While it performs adequately for basic lubrication and rust prevention, it doesn't stand out in terms of longevity or cooling effects during heavy use. Priced competitively, this oil is ideal for casual users or those who want an affordable option for routine clipper maintenance. However, the lack of detailed specifications and premium features holds it back. Pros include its affordability and anti-rust properties, while cons involve its limited advanced functionality and less comprehensive user experience. Coming in at number 4 is the Oster Blade Lube Premium Lubricating Oil. This product is a 2-pack with each bottle containing 4 ounces of oil. Known for its United States origin, Oster delivers a straightforward lubricant for clipper blades, trimmers, and groomers. The packaging is practical yet unremarkable, featuring small bottles that are easy to handle. While it lacks a precision nozzle, the oil is lightweight and portable, making it a good option for professionals who need something reliable for on-the-go blade maintenance. Its primary function is lubrication, but it doesn't include anti-rust or cooling additives that some competitors offer. Performance-wise, this oil does a great job reducing blade friction and ensuring smooth operation. However, with fewer standout features like odorless formulations or long-lasting lubrication, it's better suited for occasional users rather than heavy-duty professionals. The 2-pack offers decent value, but it doesn't go above and beyond in terms of functionality. Pros include its reliable lubrication and decent value, while cons are its lack of advanced features and basic packaging. In second place, we have the UniKitchen Premium Lubricating White Oil. This 8-ounce bottle offers a professional-grade lubricant that's non-toxic, chemical-free, and fragrance-free. Designed to protect against rust and corrosion, it's a versatile option that works for clippers, trimmers, and even straight razors. The packaging is clean and ergonomic, with a simple bottle design that's easy to handle. While it doesn't include a precision nozzle, the generous size means you get plenty of oil for the price. Its long-lasting lubrication and rust prevention capabilities are standout features, making it a strong contender for those who want maximum blade protection. Performance-wise, this oil improves cutting efficiency and reduces motor strain, ensuring smoother and quieter operation. It's a fantastic choice for barbers and grooming enthusiasts who demand high performance. The only downside is the lack of additional accessories like cleaning brushes, but the quality of the oil itself more than makes up for it. Pros include its rust protection, long-lasting lubrication, and versatile use cases, while cons are its lack of a precision nozzle and accessories. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Andis Clippers Clipper Oil. This 4-ounce bottle has earned its place as our #1 pick thanks to its outstanding blend of quality, performance, and value. Formulated to be colorless and odorless, this oil reduces friction, prevents oxidation, and extends the lifespan of your clipper blades. The design is practical, with a compact bottle that's easy to store and carry. The precision nozzle ensures an even application, which minimizes waste and enhances efficiency. Andis has paid attention to the details, ensuring that this oil is compatible with a wide range of clippers and shears, making it a versatile choice for both professionals and home users. In terms of performance, this oil excels at reducing blade heat and friction, which not only improves cutting precision, but also enhances safety. Its anti-rust properties are particularly effective. making it a reliable option for long-term use. At just $7.66, it offers incredible value for a premium quality product. Pros include its odorless formulation, precision nozzle, and excellent value, while cons are virtually negligible given its overall performance and affordability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.